Let us take some use cases. The biggest bottleneck in most businesses today is human capacity. Whether you are a freelancer juggling client work, a coach managing dozens of leads, or an agency owner trying to scale, chances are you are stretched thin. The problem? You are doing high value tasks like lead generation, client onboarding, and support manually. This means you either work overtime, hire and manage people, or let opportunities fall through the cracks. It's not scalable and it's not sustainable. But here is the opportunity. With the high level AI employee, you can automate 70 to 80% of your operational workload across any role or business type and reclaim your time without sacrificing growth. Let's break it down by real world use cases. And here is how different professionals can leverage an AI employee starting today. Starting with freelancers. Auto respond to inquiries with customized proposals. You can generate customized proposals based on client needs. Book discovery calls. Integrate with calendars for instant scheduling. Or deliver status updates. Schedule AI generated weekly summaries to clients. That's for freelancers. Next is coaches and consultants. You can automate your onboarding. Welcome new clients with personalized sequences. That's automated as well. You can send session reminders, homework and feedback forms. Lead nurturing. Auto nurture leads via email, SMS and DMs. For agency owners, they can qualify leads before sales calls using AI questionnaires. Run lead magnets with auto follow-up workflows, or deliver monthly reports and updates automatically to clients. For small and medium businesses, handle FAQs, support queries, and appointment scheduling 24/7. Send abandoned cart or code follow-ups using smart logic. Collect reviews and testimonials using automation triggers. So whether you are solo or have a small team, your AI employee becomes your most reliable assistant, giving you leverage at every stage. So you don't need to be a tech expert or have a big team to build something scalable. With a little setup and the right system, your AI employee can handle the busy work while you focus on strategy, creativity, or growth. So ask yourself, what's the one thing I do repeatedly that I wish someone else could handle for me? That's your first use case. In the next section, we'll build out your AI employee step by step so you can bring that wish to life. Let's start automating real tasks for real results.